Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to show you our brand new Mastercraft 2020 X24. Starting on the bow of this boat, right off the bat, you have a nice anchor storage here, 2 Klish speakers, USB outlets, cup holders, flip-up seats for storage on both sides. Tons of great storage. Turn it around. Boat did come with the advanced audio, so you also have the subwoofer right here. This boat has a air dam pocket door to close off. Front folding closed windshield. Also has the front dash speakers with the Klish audio package. Moving through the boat here to the cockpit, it has the dual screen control. Awesome captain's chair with a bolster. Very comfortable, sporty seat. On this side here, on the port side, it has a flip up, huge through storage with the garbage can, which you access right here. Port side flip up rear facing seat. Also, starboard rear facing seat. Has the gray SeaDek flooring. Flip up built-in hidden cooler. On the other side, flip up, awesome storage, and also this is a filler cushion that when you reverse the couch, you have the couch like this. You can flip it to a sun pad setting, and this piece here fits right in there and has an awesome full sun pad layout option. Easy to flip back. This boat also comes with a ski tow bar that's removable. This has the Z4 folding tower with the clamping wake surf racks, easy to push in and out to store away. Has the Klish tower speakers, click on dome light. I'm stepping on through the boat. Pretty cool feature here. This is a life jacket heater. Put your jacket in there to get it all toasty for those cool lake days. Onto the back here, this boat has the rear facing seats with a awesome flip up backrest, 2 cup holders, GoPro wakeboard mounts, SeaDek, swim deck. This boat's equipped with the Gen 2 surf system, 4,300 pounds of ballast. It has the biggest surf wake on the market. It's incredible surf wake behind this boat. Amazing wakeboard boat. This boat, also new for this year, has the RGB lighting package. So it changes color. You have a million choices of lights for interior and underwater lights. Come and check out this awesome X24 Mastercraft 2020 surf boat. Absolutely beautiful blue with silver metal flake on matching trailer. Come and check us out at Greenville, MarineMax in South Carolina, or check us out at MarineMax Greenville.com. Thank you.